Alright guys, so to create this type of video you need to mount your camera on a tripod. You get my point? Now you will need a transparent, either you use a glass, you get my point, but I'm using my baby's feeder. So you can use, if you have a baby, you can use your baby's feeder also, or you can use a jug, a transparent jug. You get my point? Something you can put water inside that is transparent. Then have a cup of water. You get my point? You will use to put inside that particular thing that is transparent. So guys, I'm very sorry for not posting videos all this while, because I'm trying to set up an offline business for myself. You get my point? Things are hard in this country, so you get. So I'm saying I'm very sorry. I know a lot of people have been waiting for my videos for almost 1 month now, but just forgive me. By God's grace, I'll try my best to be dropping videos at least once in a week. You get my point? So please like and share. Let the encouragement continues. You get. So now once you have this transparent thing, so you can now, like, let me play the video so you see how I did it. You get my point? So just look at it. I have to open it like this. When you are done opening it, then you can now pour water inside it like this. Just pour water inside it. Make sure it gets to the brim. You get my point? So while you are doing this, make sure you have a video or a picture you want to use for this thing, a separate video. You can record that one somewhere, but this particular video I'm using portrait to record it. So make sure the video you are bringing in is also on portrait, not landscape. You get. So once you are done with that, look at it here, you cover it back like this. So now we are going to edit the video. So but before then, let me show you. We are going to be using this video. This is my beautiful sister's video she recorded. You get my point? So we are going to make her inside that particular can or that particular glass or cup, anything you want to use. So make sure your own also is ready. I have to break it down for a complete beginner to understand. So here is the video. I have to mute it, and you get my point. If you like, you can allow the voice to come out, or you can just mute it depending on the noise or anything. So let me just reduce it because we don't need what she was saying. So this is it. So now this is what's going to happen. You take the video to the beginning. I am on Capcut now, so we are editing this video using Capcut. I have already brought the video here on Capcut. You get my point? So now this is the baby feeder from where I want the video to start. So I'll just tap on the video layer right here, tap on split, and delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So from here, opening the feeder, then I will have to pour the water inside. So before I pour the water inside, I'll have to go here and bring this particular one. Just tap on it. Now go to overlay. So you click on overlay for it to come down, then drag it like this towards where the character is about to pour the water inside. Please like and share, subscribe to this channel if you are coming across my video for the first time. I teach how to edit videos from scratch. You get my point? So just bring it down like this. So at this point, I will tap on the second layer, which is that my sister. Then I will go to transform. Now click on transform. Then you are going to reduce the size like this. You position it very well. So you reduce the size very well. So let's see, that's not good enough. So maybe we are going to have it like that. But if I pour the water like this, see what's going to happen. It doesn't make sense. So that's why you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end, so you'll be able to get everything. You get my point? So look at what is going to happen right here. At this point, we will tap on this particular second layer. Now go to opacity. Go to opacity. Where is opacity? Now click on opacity and reduce it to somewhere 50. So you leave it at 50. You get my point? So if you pour the water now, this is what you're gonna get. Now one can still see the water, but we are not done. So you have to watch to the end. So now tap on this second layer. Tap on it. Now go to mask. Go to mask. Now click on mask. Now click on horizontal. Then click on invert. You get. Now you are going to tap on this adjust button right here. Go to feather. Increase the feather to 20. You can leave it at 20. Now click on this OK button. You get my point? Now drag this down like this. Drag it down. Drag it down. Then move the video a bit. Meaning we'll have to adjust this like this, so it will match with where the water is coming in. So drag it like this till when the character starts pouring water inside. So you tap on it. Let's go back to the mask. So click on mask. So at this point you add keyframe at the beginning of this second layer. You add keyframe at the beginning of this second layer. You move the video to when you are done pouring the water, somewhere here, somewhere here. Then you can now drag. Let's go to feather to confirm. The feather is still at 20. And now go to position. Then you can now drag it up for it to reveal the character. Guys, I believe you get my point. So it has gotten to the end, and I believe it has revealed everything. So if you play the video, you have something like this. You see the character started showing before the water even fell in. So you need to drag it like this. Then you play. So guys, I believe you get my point, and I believe you like what you see. Now look at another problem here. Putting my hand to cover it. As you can see, my hand is also transparent, which is not supposed to be so. So for you to be able to get this particular one correct, you need to tap on the first layer. Now go and duplicate it. click on duplicate. Now tap on it, click on overlay, go look for overlay. Now bring it down to the beginning of the video, so you can drop it at the beginning of the video. This is going to cover the middle layer. You get my point? So what we are looking for is to make sure it shows the hand. So from this part, the hand is coming towards it. So you can decide to just tap on this third layer from here, split and delete the beginning of it. So from this other part right here, you tap on it. Now go to remove BG. Click on remove BG. Now go to custom remover. You tap on custom remover. So now you are going to remove everything here apart from this particular finger. So this other side, you are going to remove it. So once you crop it like this, you allow it to load. You can click on this eye button here to see how it looks like. So this is how it's going to be, meaning we still have a finger showing. You get my point? So you can click on the eye again to return, then allow it to load to the end. Guys, let me know if you missed me. Let me know if you missed me, and let me know if you've liked this video. Say something in the comment section. You get my point? So look at it right here. It's removed completely. So you click on the OK button. So you are going to have something like this. So you can see the hand is now visible. One can see it. So now let's play the video from the beginning to see what we got. Make sure your camera is on tripod. And if you are still looking for Capcut Pro, you can DM me on my WhatsApp. You get my point? Got it there now. That's perfect. That's perfect. You get my point. So that is just it. So guys, we are going to end everything right here. So you tap on each of the layers, split and delete the ending part, and you are good to go. So let's click on this navigation button, go and look for split. You tap on this one, split and delete, split and delete, split and delete. So make sure the 3 layers aligns at the end, so you can use this for your entertainment content. My point. So without wasting much time, see you in our next video. But I'm gonna export this video for you to see that I'm using a real Capcut. You get my point? So look at it right there. So see you in our next video.